In a monsoon river crossing, a seasoned guide recalls how Indigenous mentors mapped safe routes by watching flow patterns and wind shifts. He demonstrates a low-impact method that uses stepping stones, a balanced center of gravity, and a slow, deliberate pace to keep disturbances to a minimum. Real-life tips emphasize yielding to the current, testing depth gradually, and choosing footwear with grip for stability while leaving no trace. The episode blends practical technique with lessons from Indigenous elders about gratitude, patience, and humility toward water and wildlife. Through the story, viewers learn to plan, practice, and protect the place they move through rather than conquer it.